Welcome teachers to Getting Started with MathShelf. This video will demonstrate how to add students to MathShelf, create a play schedule and MathShelf Center, and analyze MathShelf play data to ensure every child plays twice a week. Start by finding and tapping the MathShelf app on your tablet. To sign in, you click the blue Sign In button and enter your email and password. Your password is your first name. You will then enter your teacher information and press Submit. Let's add students. Type the first student's last name, first name, tap their age, and take the child's picture. Type the next student's name and take his picture. You can then continue to add the rest of your students the same way. After you add your last student, tap the orange Home button to see all the students. Now, open the MathShelf app and sign in to MathShelf on all your classroom tablets. You only need to add students on one device. When you sign into MathShelf on the other tablets, the student data you entered will appear on all devices. If you ever have to add new additional students, touch the blue teacher button in the upper right corner and answer the multiplication question. This is so students cannot access the teacher settings. Next, you will tap Add Students and you will see your class information. Scroll down to add your additional students. We've added students. Now let's make a play schedule to assign every child to play MathShelf twice a week. On your class computer, go to the MathShelf dashboard at www.mathshelf.com/dashboard. Sign in using your email and password. I am signing into my class. Click the Play Schedule link. Select the time your class will play MathShelf, the number of tablets your class has. Click Print your play schedule. Notice that the play schedule shows that 3 groups of students will play MathShelf on Monday and Wednesday, and 3 will play on Tuesday and Thursday. Each time a child plays MathShelf, make a check next to that student's name. Be sure every student plays MathShelf twice a week and follows your schedule. Now that you've entered your students and created a play schedule, let's learn how to set up your MathShelf Center. This is a picture of a MathShelf Center in a preschool class. Notice 4 tablets with 4 children actively playing at the center. Here is a play schedule posted in the classroom. The teacher calls students to visit the MathShelf Center on their designated day and time. Can you see that this teacher is using a timer on her phone? After 10 minutes, the alarm sounds, informing students their MathShelf time is up and reminding the next group of students to go to the MathShelf Center. The last thing I want to share is how to analyze your MathShelf play data. First, sign in to your MathShelf dashboard. You can check your MathShelf data by clicking on the Data Report link in your dashboard. The speedometer graph to the left measures the percent of students meeting MathShelf play expectations. So far this month, 84% of students are playing MathShelf twice a week for 10 minutes each session. Click the Show Table button to review the percentage of students each month that played MathShelf twice a week. In August, 78% of students met play expectations. In September, 72%, and October, 91%. We recommend that at least 70% of children play MathShelf twice a week for 10 minutes each session every month that school is in session. Let's review the steps for how to get started with MathShelf. Find and open the MathShelf app. Sign in to MathShelf with your email and your first name as the password. After you add all students using one device, tap the orange Home button. Then sign into your other devices. Notice how the student profiles automatically show up. The last steps are to print your schedule from the dashboard. Create a MathShelf Center. And finally, check your data to be sure at least 70% of children are playing MathShelf twice a week for 10 minutes each session. If you have questions or need support, we are here to help.